this is like the remote or something. For sure. There we go. That's awesome. Could be like that in there. Yeah, we definitely have to set. So just
I'm gonna cry now.
Okay, so you pull out the top first, and then you pull out the bottom. And then you hope you don't mess up these propellers.
Oh yeah, be very careful.
Pour that one too.
I'm
Goes
dead.
another one. That is awesome.
That's so cool.
So, is this going to be your first drone flight? Have you ever flown drone before?
I never have.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if this is a good idea to do the first flight right now.
I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
You know what we're doing though? Oh my god.
Where'd it go?
Do you need help?
Yeah, we're lucky because it didn't fall on people.
Babe, get down.
What the hell just happened?
You want us to jump down there?
I'll get it. I just don't know.
You sure? No, I just went straight down.
That's why you should be careful.
What happened, man?
I wish I could tell you, man. I don't know. Signals got crossed or something. I don't know.
Mmm.
That's stupid, man. That never happened before.
How long have you had that bad boy?
Man, I've been flying this thing for about 2 years now, man.
Nice.
I've never had this happen.
That's
Yeah,
why
if
I
I-
recommend.
I'm just lucky it's tiny, you know?
Yes, but still, if it, for example,
Falls on someone's head, it could kill them.
So that's why I didn't recommend trying it cheap.
Thank you, man.